Good morning students, this is Manpreet from JPS Academy Asan. We were doing your chapter first of grammar, the sentences, and we have done the A and B part of your back exercise. Now it's a time for kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. How many? 4. The name of the 4 sentences are 4 types of sentences are assertive or declarative sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. So we are going to study in detail about every kind of sentence. Okay, so first one is assertive or declarative. Assertive sentences which simply say or state something means assertive और declarative sentences वो होंगे जो आप simple language में बात करते हैं या कुछ कह देते हैं. Suppose I am a girl. I am saying a normal statement. I am speaking a normal statement. So it's a declarative or assertive sentence. And what are the rules for that? Assertive sentences says or states something, कुछ कहते हैं, and it ends with a full stop. It ends with a full stop. Next one is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences which expresses a command, a request, or an advice. When you are commanding someone, then it comes assertive sentence. When you are requesting someone, then also comes under imperative sentence. And when you are going to advise someone, that also comes under imperative sentence. So let's have a look of the example of imperative sentence. Go out of the class. It's a command from the teacher. Go out of the class. It's a command. So it comes under imperative. Next one is please pass me the sugar. That is the request. And you should eat healthy food to stay healthy. That is the advice. You are advising someone to eat healthy food to stay healthy. So the rules for the imperative sentence are: an imperative sentence expresses command, request, and or an advice. That we have already discussed. Now second rule is it ends with the full stop as well. The difference between the assertive and imperative sentences: imperative contains command, request, and advice. Otherwise, the both sentences end with full stop. Next one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are well-known sentences by all the students because they are learning about these kind of sentences from their early ages. When someone is asking you a question and it carries a question mark, these kind of sentences are interrogative sentences. So let's have a look of the meaning. Sentences which ask questions are called interrogative sentences. जो सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन आस्क करेंगे वो इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. So what are the rules for the interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. First rule is asking question and it ends with question mark. If you find this kind of mark at the end of the sentence, it means you just have to mark that sentence as an interrogative sentence. So next one type of sentence is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences when you are expressing some strong feelings. It means you have a very strong feeling, then you have to go for exclamatory sentences. For example, how exciting the trip was. It means you were showing your strong emotions here, strong feelings here, then it's an exclamatory sentence. And the other thing to recognize is the sign at the end. You are looking at the sentence and you will find that there is a stick and at the end of the stick there is a point. That is exclamatory mark. The recognition of exclamatory is end with exclamation mark, and recognition for the interrogative is end with question mark. So the rule for the exclamatory sentences are: an exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. Second is it ends with exclamation mark, as I said you. So this is all about the explanation. Now we are going to start with your back exercise of this chapter. That is D part. The back exercise is: identify the following sentences as assertive, imperative, interrogative or exclamatory sentences. So first is: Napoleon was a great leader. There is nothing like your feeling, your extreme feelings, request, command. They're not ending with question mark, not ending with exclamation mark. So this one is assertive sentence. Next is: I love reading storybooks. It also comes under assertive sentences. Next is: why are you sad? Here you are asking question, and second is end with the question mark. So it's an interrogative sentence. What a delicious meal it was. Here you are showing your extreme feelings and end with exclamation mark. So it's a exclamatory sentence. Next one is: open page number 30 of your English book. It's a command from the teacher, so it's an imperative sentence. Junk food is not good for health. It's a simple statement, so assertive. How exciting the match was. Here you are ending with the sentence ending with the exclamation mark, and you are showing your feeling, exclamatory sentences. What will you have, tea or coffee? You are asking question, so interrogative sentence. Please pass me the sugar. That is imperative, because you are requesting someone to pass you the sugar, so it's imperative. So students, this one is your next exercise, that is on page number 9, part E. Rearrange the words to make sentences as directed. आपको वर्ड्स को रीअरेंज करना है और आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं जैसा कि डायरेक्शन दी होगी. बिगन ईच सेंटेंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. आपने जब भी सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करना है तो कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करेंगे, जैसे कि देखो हाउ एच कैपिटल. एंड यूज प्रॉपर पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स एट द एंड. You have to use proper punctuation mark at the end, like exclamatory mark at the end. The first word of each sentence is in bold one. Means I have underlined these words, but in your books these words are bold letter words. Okay, you have to use these words at the very first to start the sentence. Okay, so let's have a look of your first sentence is: the dress was how gorgeous. You have to make this sentence as an exclamatory sentence. Okay, so sentence would be like this: how gorgeous the dress was, and your exclamatory mark should be there. Second one is: favorite fruit my mango is. You have to change the sentence in assertive. My favorite fruit is mango. Third sentence is: have hair I long. You have to change this one as assertive. So your sentence would be: I have long hair, and end with full stop. Give glass please mean a water of. You have to change this one in imperative. So your sentence would be like this: please give me a glass of water, and end with full stop. Do stay where you. You have to change this one in interrogative. So your sentence would be like this: where do you stay, and end with question mark. What interesting was an book it. Change in exclamatory. So what an interesting book it was. exclamation mark. The seventh sentence is Ant plays she basketball and hockey. Assertive. She plays basketball and hockey and with full stop. The next sentence is are looking what you for. Change in interrogative. So your sentence would be like this. What are you looking for? And end with question mark. Your ninth sentence and the last one is are you why crying? Change in interrogative. Why are you crying? So put question mark at the end. This is all about your chapter number 1. So do complete in your books. Till then, bye bye. See you.